everyone, today with me I have the Ruboxa, and this is a 25-piece set of clear drawer organizers in different sizes, so I want to open it up and show you guys. Alright you guys, after a lot of unboxing, as you could see in the video, every single one of them came individually wrapped, so nothing came scratched, bumped, broken, nothing. They're perfect. And check this out, they even come with the little circles for the feet so they don't slide around in your drawers, and they can actually kind of stay wherever you want them to. And I love the different sizes that it comes with, so let's break that down. You get 8 small ones like these, perfect for hair ties. I put hairpins in here, it's perfect to hold those. Right here we have 8 medium ones. These are great for my hair clips, things like that. Just keep them in place in my drawers. And then we go over here, we get 6 large ones. These are pretty wide, so sometimes I put toothpaste tubes, or you can put your razors in here as well. Fits perfectly. And you get 3 of these large ones, which fit so many different things. I really love these in my bathroom, but you can use them on your vanity, in your kitchen, or anywhere else you want them, even in the office. I definitely recommend these. I had so much fun unpacking them and always putting the feet on these. I actually bought multiple packs of these because you always need something to organize, and I think that this pack fits everyone's need. Go check it out on Amazon. I definitely recommend it.